was a man. Oh, he was bright. I know his life. Oh, I understand.
So this is the part where we drew the shadow using this dark brown eyeshadow, and this is the part without drawing the shadow. Can you smile? Yeah, if you smile, the difference is really stark difference. This is like shadow without shadow. So we'll add up the shadow in this part. Hello everyone. So we have our stunning friend here. Her name is Young, and she's from Taiwan.
Yes.
From Taipei.
Yes.
From Taipei. And we're gonna have a K-pop makeup over makeup on her. So let's get started. So what is the most famous like girl group in Taiwan?
I think twice.
Twice.
Oh.
How about like Blackpink or?
Blackpink is
like
also
second?
yeah.
Number one is Twice.
I think because one of the members are from
Chewy.
Ah,
She's Taiwan,
yeah,
not China, right?
So that's why I think.
And like actually, like Taiwan and Korea is like friend countries, and we share a lot of things in common.
Yes.
So what do you think is the point of K-pop idol makeup? So what comes to your mind if you say like K-pop idol makeup?
Like really perfect, delicate.
Ah,
Like you can't see any.
flow,
Oh yeah.
flawless.
Yeah.
Everything's so perfect.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So we should do a flawless makeup. Oh, okay. I'm gonna find all the parts again. Ah, okay. So this is the winged eyeline. This part is before. Ding. Ding. Ah, this looks so good. So please continue talking about the Taiwan. We were talking about the landscape, right?
Landscape, yeah.
And then food, maybe. So, do Taiwan people really like bubble tea, or is it only the foreigners who think?
Yeah,
it's-
Taiwanese also.
Is it real?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
okay.
real.
Okay. So I was worried like we are so crazy about like Gongcha, and like I was like, what if none of the Taiwan people actually like bubble tea, but we only think that Taiwan people like this, but then we like consume this, like we like bubble tea, and like actually nobody. It's gonna be awkward. So okay.
But actually, I've never seen Gongcha in Taiwan.
Oh. But that's a Taiwan.
Oh, I don't know why. I don't know why.
You never seen Gongcha?
Oh,
How come?
I first see it in Korea.
Oh. It's like the bubble tea with the black syrup, black sugar syrup bubble
That's
tea.
really popular.
Is it popular in Taiwan
Yeah.
right now?
Yeah.
Ah, that's why. So
I think it's also popular in Korea.
yeah, now. So Gongcha came up with that menu, and it was so popular. At first, they were going to make it just a season menu, but it was people were crazy about it, so they fixed that menu to their real menu. Okay, done. Okay, look at me. Enough, and you can like this, so that I can like do it like
Okay.
this. Oh yeah, it's well curled up really well. Can you, yeah, look at me. Yeah, like that. Tapping. And we should like apply this. invest more in the other way.
Take your hand, tell me why. Oh, tell me why.
Your makeup is so important. I'll use that.
There was a man, oh, he was bright. I know his life, oh, I understand. He always hold my hand, he led me. I love his gentleness, one of the most vivid memories I have. You take out all my
Okay, so if you look at the camera, okay, look at the camera. So this is the part where we drew the shadow using this dark brown eyeshadow, and this is the part without drawing the shadow. Can you smile? Yeah, if you smile, the difference is really stark difference. It's like shadow without shadow. So we'll add up the shadow in this part. Okay, let's go.
Oh, baby, tell me why you said in there someday.
If you do it too much,
I wanna say that how much I should wait before that. There was a man, oh, here in my heart. He knows my mind, oh.
now we are done with our makeup, so hope you guys enjoyed our video. So, and if you have any question, you can leave any questions below. And do you want to say anything addition? Like, do you want to advertise your IG ID or Instagram? Do you want to say something
Okay,
or anything?
Oh, I basically share my life on my Instagram. So if you're interested, you can follow my Instagram.
What is your ID?
GOOGY 24689.
Googie?
Yeah.
Googie 2. Okay, I read
Yeah.
this. 2469?
24689.
24689.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
So Googie 24689. So follow her on her Instagrams and she'll leave her selfie of today too. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. And I'm so glad to have her today and
Yeah, thank you.
Bye.